I'm definitely on here giving Lori Lightfoot. I'm so sorry. Forgive me, Lord. But I'm definitely about to give y'all this. Okay? Y'all ready?
Wow.
Got me feeling pretty. So pardon if I'm impolite. I just really need your ass with me. I'm sorry about the other night.
Hey Vixens, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me, but prior to the get ready with me portion, I am taking you along with me. This is my first video of the New Year's, and I wanted to do an epic transformation, and I relaxed my hair. I wanted to cut it and just take a break, just be free, short hair, everything like that. So I went downtown, Midtown, Houston, Texas, and I went to a salon called the Legacy Beauty Bar. So shout out to Brandy doing my cut. Girl, you killed it. But here is her salon, and I just want to show you guys a few reels of me leading up to the get ready with me. I hope you enjoy it. Actually sponsored by Just for Kyra. Color that I actually did like out of the 4 pairs that they sent me. Oh wow, it's the wrong way. It's called SL29 Brown. These are fire. So it's basically like a hazel color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop these into my eyes really quick, and then I'll be back and show you guys what they look like, and then we'll do makeup. And then one thing that I will also say that I like about this brand is they do give you like your own little storage for each eye. And this is what SL29 looks like in packaging. And then it also comes with like these little tweezers. I'm scared to use stuff like this towards my eyes. I'll just use my finger. But if my nails are too long, because actually I haven't applied contacts with long nails like this, they have these like little a tool that it comes with that will help apply these into your eyes. So yeah, let me actually go ahead and stop rambling and put them on. And here's what those look like. And I will say I tried these on before I got my lashes done, and they look lighter without such dark lashes. The lashes actually darken the appearance of them. So yeah, I really love these for real, and I think I'm going to go get like an actual prescription in these contacts. I just love how they look. already. So yes, I will have a discount code for these contacts and also the direct link down below in the description if you guys are interested in checking out their contacts. But thank you Just for Kyra for sending me these. Like, I'm gonna be wearing these all the time. It amplifies my eye color, and my daughter's eyes are actually naturally this color, which is crazy. But yeah, so anyways, with short hair you have to have some type of earrings. So I did get these earrings from Target, and I think I'm gonna put these in real quick. And it's kind of hard to put these earrings on with these long ass nails, but y'all, I'm trying. Okay, because period. I just want to get cute. But yeah, I just want to listen to some music. So I'm going to put on some music. I've really been in love with this song recently. I don't know why, but this is what I'm going to be listening to. And we're just going to listen to some music, jam out, and do our makeup.
Baby, can pour the pipe, get in the water shower, yeah. Baby, I need to know what your side, I can track the fight. They don't throw no curves, I'm going wide. We could just start a team, we could go to 5. I don't play with my pen, what they write, yeah. Can't help it be sexual. Baby, just saying I'm flexible. I do what they can to get you off. Might just walk to put my makeup on. Eating like I need that apron on. Either till I need to change my car. You can do it to your favorite song. Take a ride to the danger zone. You know my nigga be bugging me. I just be wondering if you can fuck with me better. Itchy for me like an ugly sweater. Need an image like a chicken each other. I need to know. Wanna know what's like. What's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah. Fantasizing, we got a lot of time. Baby, can pour the pipe, get in the water shower, yeah. Baby, I need to know. You're exciting, boy, come find me. Your eyes hurt me, girl, come ride me. Fuck that feeling, all those fighting. Could he try most likely? Trying to see if you can handle the surge. Probably give us extra pen. Nigga, 10 out of 10. I can't stand it just one night. Take with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the good. Please let me, tell me right. Oh, wait, I can take it. Give a fuck what your wife is saying. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah.
Okay, y'all, I love my hair. Like, she's getting what needs to be given. I feel like I put like a little bit of something underneath my eye. I'm gonna put like a little bit of like a brown underneath my eye. Something I'm gonna use Cocoa out of this palette. It's like a really dark brown. This is super dirty. Don't ever play with her, okay? Because she cleans up well. She cleans up very well. Y'all thought y'all was gonna roast me. Y'all thought y'all was gonna just roast me like that. Y'all was just gonna laugh at me in the very beginning of the video like that. Like y'all thought y'all was just gonna. Come on now. Come on now. I told y'all and I'm gonna tell y'all again. I'm gonna forever tell y'all I clean up well. Your girl cleans up very well, okay? Don't ever get it twisted. Don't matter how bummy I look, I clean up well, child. And that's on period. Every time. But yes, this is how I do my makeup. You guys have been asking me how I do my makeup. Like I said, the discount code to Just for Kyra will be down below, and also all the products that I use today will be down below in the description. But it's giving grown and sexy. It's giving like, first of all, shout out to my hairstylist, shout out to my lash tech. I just really needed a break from wigs, you guys. If you guys don't know, I do have my own hair brand. I'm a wig maker, VIXENwigs.com. So for the past 2 years, for 2 years straight, I've basically been wearing wigs like every single day, 7 days out the week. And it's like, it got to a point where if I didn't have a wig on, I basically had a bonnet on. And I could just imagine, especially having a boyfriend, like how, like, is that really attractive? Like, you just know, like, and it's one of those things where dating me, it's no secret that when I come home, I'm peeling this wig back. Like, I'm taking this wig off and I'm laying it on the dresser. And I know that's not sexy, like, and it's not just like about my man. It's just really more so like about myself. Like, my scalp has just been really, really dry, really dehydrated, flaky, because like my girl wasn't getting no vitamin D. And I just want a sense of freedom. I love my wigs, of course, but you know, I just feel like it's pushed that to be a bad bitch, you know, in 2022, you gotta have 30-inch, 40-inch hair. Yours came in a pack, ass fat, or whatever she said. And it doesn't necessarily have to give that. Like, I feel like you could be bald if you want to be bald, and you could still be giving that girl. You could still be giving that bitch, period. Like, you don't have to have weave going down your back. And that's with me owning a wig brand. I don't care. I'm just letting y'all know, like, sometimes it's cool to take a break from the wigs and just be yourself. So I look super cute, just like my mommy. But yes, I feel so pretty. I showed you guys my earrings from Target, my watch, and I know a lot of you guys wear JBW watches, but this is another brand called Waldor & Co. I feel like they're really slept on, but this is my watch. It looks like it's giving Rolex vibes, and I love that it has like the two-tone silver and gold, so I can really like wear it with. Don't focus on the baby hairs now, child. Focus on the watch. It's trying to focus on the hair. I ain't mad at it, okay? But yeah, so here's my watch. I'll put a little outfit together for you all, and then we'll close out today's video. Y'all peep how my whole demeanor changes when my hair is done, child. I turn into a whole nother person. I really do. Like, the whole energy just be giving, it just be giving something else. It just be giving another vibe. But I got this corset. This is why I said I love my watch. You can play off anything that has silver or gold in it. But basically, it's this really sexy, this is like see-through right here, like ribbed. And then it's leather, giving dominatrix, kind of, you know, going with the edgy look of the contacts. And I don't know if this is still for sale. Y'all know how Fashion Nova is. I actually got this a while back. I really don't even shop on Fashion Nova like that anymore, but this is, I don't know if y'all heard that, but it was like a really loud plane. Okay, but this is called the Ain't Thinking About You corset in a size small. If I can find it in stock or on the site, then I'll have it down below in the description. But yes, this is the corset. Really cute corset that I want to wear. And then I found these really cute like matching jogger sweatpants. It still has like the silver detail, and it's basically just like these sweats from Misguided. Here they are. And I actually got these, I think, like last year. These are old as well, and I think Aaliyah's face is what made me purchase these. I'm sure I saw this in one of her try on videos, but these are from Misguided, and I probably only worn them like once last year. But these are like super cute to go with the corsets. like dominatrix. I don't know, I'm getting nervous now that I'm seeing like the leather on leather, but I think it's gonna be cute. I think it's gonna be giving real sexy, and that's what we going for. Don't remember where I got these heels from, but I'm gonna show y'all anyways. From this brand called Lemonade, like one of those random shoe stores, but it's basically got like a python print, and they glow in the dark. And I realized this after I purchased them, like not in a super childish way. You go out and it's like your shoes have like a slight glow to it. It's like, is her shoes glowing? Let me see if I can show you. I don't even know. Let me see if I can turn this light off and see. Will it show you? I don't think so. Definitely not gonna show you, but anyways, y'all get the point. They glow in the dark. So yes, that is today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed going to the salon with me. It's maintenance, doing makeup together, and just playing dress up. This was like really fun, and I just so badly wanted to go ahead and do this, and I'm super excited that I did. Relax my hair. I just couldn't be natural anymore, just taking a break from wigs. And I don't know how long this is gonna last. Usually I cut my hair off and will wear it for like 2 weeks and then we'll throw a wig back on, especially since I'm always trying to like promote my business and things like that. But I think I'm gonna try to find a way to promote my business and my wig brand. But I still, me personally, could take a break from the wigs because I'm really loving this. I love how it looks. I just turned 25 and I just feel like it's giving me grown and sexy. I feel so sexy. I feel sexier than I've felt in a while. Like I feel, and you know, and it's me. So I love it. This is how everything is looking once again. The contacts are fire. Nails is fire. Something about this look is even making my teeth look whiter. So I don't know what's going on, y'all, but I am loving it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.
Whiskey got me feeling pretty. So pardon if I'm impolite. I just really need your ass with me. I'm sorry about the other night, and I know I could be more creative.